Hi there, Elaine here with WTI, introducing Rinsero's new LeakLock wineskins. These wine stoppers are a 4-pack that can fit any size wine bottle that you have. They are amazing. They're stretchable and reusable. You can wash them. Especially they're great if you have bottles without corks or caps. And LeakLocks can replace the struggle of getting that cork out of your bottle. It really takes a lot of work for me not to break a cork, so I just love these wine stoppers. They are so easy to apply to any size bottle. And if you want, you can toss or save your corks because you have wine stoppers for your bottles now. These are reusable LeakLocks that are amazing gift for your friends. And Rinseroo has many types, even for traveling containers. Well, folks, try these new LeakLocks wineskins for your bottles. You will love them. We highly recommend them, and that's just my point of view.